Consumer goods like smartphone cases, creams or cleaning products are often based on fossil resources and are burnt after use. The EU advocates a fossil-free world where alternative feedstocks and new technologies are essential. This is where the WaterProof project steps in. CO₂ is captured from waste incineration and wastewater treatment plants and converted into formic acid by electrochemistry. This bulk chemical is used for cleaning products, leather tanning, and for generation of acidic, deep eutectic solvents, applied for the recovery of metals from waste streams. Once these products are used, emitted CO₂ is again captured and used for new products. Thus, WaterProof supports a truly circular economy and the transition towards a climate-neutral Europe.